the Humans of Hemp podcast. Be part of the conversations we've never had and the stories we've never shared. So, let's dive in.
So, in the first edition, we are here again when one of the humans working towards hemp. Let her introduce herself and tell her more about the community and what she does.
Hi, I'm Dr. Payal Khandelwal and I'm an Ayurveda and Panchakarma consultant practicing in Bangalore since last 15 years. I've been a traditional Ayurveda practitioner, got introduced to hemp industry last year, and since then it has been like a change. I've got an edge over in my practice because hemp products have got a lot of potential, I feel, and the reference goes back to Ayurveda. Somehow it has not been in practice. So because I deal with chronic and critical illnesses, I do find a lot of good results after using hemp products.
So, what are the ailments that people come to you for the most? And is it like an online or an offline channel which
So
they
it's
come?
both online and offline, but I would say 75 to 80% is on offline.
Okay.
And people meet me in my clinic because I'm a consultant, and definitely we talk face to face. The 5 core areas where my practice is right now is in fertility issues in both males and females, mental health, because I've been working, my dissertation was on generalized anxiety disorders. So it has been a part of my practice, and post-COVID I find a lot of stress issues in children and CQE. Then Insta pain management through Ayurveda, and we have been doing a lot of practices. We have revived the age-old practices in Ayurveda. Along with that, combination of hemp products has really helped me a lot. Then on skin disorders, an entire range of gynecological issues, plus autoimmune diseases and pediatric health. We cover all this.
So, in terms, since you're in a medical field,
Yeah.
how do you envision the use of hemp and cannabis over the next few years in India? Like, what is the vision?
So I feel it definitely has a lot of market and potential here because people are fed up with with certain category of medicines that they look forward to.
Yeah.
Their understanding is pain management, which is the biggest thing which people are facing currently. A lot of people are into sports and all, and I see the second area which is taking a lot of market is 70 to 75% people are going through some level of anxiety.
Yeah.
If you take a standard Hamilton anxiety rating scale and if you put them there, unfortunately they're not even aware that they're going through stress and anxiety. And in cities like Bangalore and metropolitan cities and all, you'll find that stress is an integral part and they don't know the response to it. So when we have started using a lot of hemp products, I found that it is one, it is more soothing, effective, and second is it can get them off most of the psychotic drugs that they are on to are not even willing. Unfortunately, the arena where I work, I've seen that they don't even know that there's an option which exists. And that I feel hemp can bring that revolution because for traditional Ayurveda practitioners, we know the drug is Vijaya. So Vijaya has been a part of the practice because of so many regulations. It was not percolated into practice, but now it is, and I'm happy about that.
That's great. I think I'll not take more of your time. Thank you so much. We have got concise information that we need.